Patricia. Meeting Hammer, Patricia.
Hi, honey. How was your day? It's nice to meet you too.
Patricia. Meeting Hammer, não me comida. Tem a comida.
I understand. I haven't had a chance to do anything today because I'm doing all other house chores and stuff.
Não, muita gente tenta trabalhar de sol, me bem expect com comida, e não tá comida para mim. Comida bem com
I
think you should be a little nicer.
Thank you, Michelle.
I think I should be having dinner right now. That's what I think.
Yeah, well, you always want everything. You have to have
Patricia, me não
patience.
busca para que ela conquistar. Eu trabalho duro,
Guys, everybody know what time it is.
It's
What time is it?
No one cares about the time.
Jeffrey, what time is it?
It's time to
No one
eat.
cares
It's time
about
to
the
eat.
Jeffrey, what time is it?
Alex, please, be quiet.
Alex, shut up, Alex.
Just live in the moment.
What time it is? Is it late? Is it early?
For the love of God, Jeffrey! What is all this noise? Move, move! Who's in here?
Yung yan.
I think you should be a little nicer. I think you should be a little.
Que passava? Me sou do bico que não. Eu.
Jeffrey, you better have my rent money!
Jeffrey, did you ask her what time it is?
Alright, let's break this down a bit. So, Jeffrey, this character, is a construction worker who comes home angry, clashing with what seems to be his whole family, but in actuality, they are a figment of his imagination.
You come into it sweeping. When he called you, you were already somewhere else sweeping. You understand? And so, that's what you do. That's what you have to do.
The students get to improvise their lines after a brief explanation of the story or plot. They then get to run it a few times and then it's lights, camera, action. As we stated before, to make good movies, you need great actors. So the purpose of these exercises is to prepare the students to feel comfortable in front of the camera, to trust and to listen to each other, and of course, to set them on their way to refine their craft, so they can aim to be the next superstar on the big screen and beyond.